Okay, so ABC. ABC is a right angle triangle, right? It is right angled at B as shown in the figure, with AB is equal to 12 centimeters and AC is equal to 13 centimeters. Okay, a circle with center O has been inscribed inside the triangle. It is also shown in the figure. Calculate the value of x, the radius of the inscribed circle. Right. So first thing which should come to your mind is, if we know two sides of a right angle triangle AB and AC, right, then we can very easily calculate the length of third side, which is BC, right, by using Pythagoras theorem, right? So according to Pythagoras theorem, what do we know? We know that AC square should be equal to AB square plus BC square, right? So what quantities we know in this equation? We already know AC, so this should give us 13 square is equal to AB is 12, so 12 square plus BC square, right? So from here, BC square should become equal to 13 square minus 12 square. So if you try to calculate this, this will give you value of BC. BC is equal to 9 centimeters, right? So now we know all the three side lengths. Now let us concentrate on this small quadrilateral. Let us name these quantities. Let us call this P, Q and R. P, Q and R are what? P, Q and R are the points of contact of circle and the triangle, right? Okay, so if you concentrate on quadrilateral POQB, quadrilateral POQB, so this quadrilateral should be a square. And why is that? Because first of all the angles are 90 degrees. All the angles are 90 degrees. So it should definitely be a rectangle at least, right? But what else you see? You see that the adjacent sides are of equal length. So if that is the special case, it will give us a square. So this makes our solution very easy, right? So if this is a square, it will mean that the length PB is now equal to x, and also the length BQ is equal to x, right? Now what we can do is, now we can start marking other lengths. So if BC is 9 centimeters, then the remaining QC length in terms of x should become 9 minus x, correct? Okay, and similarly, if this complete length AB is equal to 12 centimeters, then the remaining length AP in terms of x should be 12 minus x, correct? Okay, so these two lengths are known to us. Now what we are doing, we are now going to use the property of tangency, right? So now look at this circle and just point C. So if you look at point C, you can see two different lines originating from this line and this point, right? And these lines are basically tangent to the given circle, right? Which means that the sides BC and CA are tangents. So the lengths QC and RC should be of the same length, correct? Which means that if QC is equal to 9 minus x, then RC should also be of the length 9 minus x, correct? Similarly, go to the point A. From point A again you can see two different tangents, PA and PR. So if PA is equal to 12 minus x, then PR should also become equal to 12 minus x, right? But now what you can see? Now you can see that we have completed the length of AC. AC is what? AC is AR plus RC, right? But AC is already given to us. AC is equal to 13 centimeters. But we have now found AR in terms of x, which is 12 minus x. And we also know RC in terms of x, which is 9 minus x. So this gives us one equation in x. On solving this, we should get our answer, right? So what will happen? This will give you 2x is equal to 8, which implies that x should be equal to 4. This is your final answer. X is equal to 4 centimeters.